So her ladyship has booked a 4-spot tour today, a couple of cafes, a pagoda and a pink church in Ho Chi Minh City. We'll see how we go. And we're away.
In this morning, in the morning, if you come here, you see a lot of the people, they practice. They
Tai Chi?
Yeah, that's right. They walk around.
And they do exercise?
Yeah, do exercise, yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I'm a couple of k's from the hotel. This is more of a commercial district by the look of it. Although there's some residential in there. It has a different feel to it. It's a lot less motorcycles on the side of the road, obviously. And that's the government buildings in there. And there you have a servo. But I cannot see what the price is. Apparently it doesn't need to be displayed. Pretty much the same everywhere.
So during the tour, if you have any question, feel free to ask me.
So we're off to the Oasis Cafe, where they have the Koi Carp swimming around the chairs. Yeah. There's the cabling for you. I'm guessing it's safe. That's some big koi in there. And you can see where the seats are. Yeah.
You feel free to.
Reasonably calming sort of fish normally. They're certainly well fed.
If you want to film the koi fish, you also you can walk down and go around. Yeah.
It's a very, very popular spot.
Yeah, that's right.
And you can see down to the koi ponds down below. You have the signature refresher drink at the start of every meal in Ho Chi Minh City. Iced tea. Tastes alright. Everything's just so lush and extravagant and, well, tropical. So there's layers of ponds. There's a lot of white fish. I don't know if you can see the black one in there. They're very interesting, very calming. Which I guess is the whole point. So we'll just let them drift through. Lots of old and lots of new stuff going up all the time. But the city's constantly rebuilding itself. Come in, there we are, on the tour.
Dính liền rồi. Này sổ đất. Có sổ đất đâu. Nó sổ đất đó. Pagoda. Yeah, this one, this name.
There's the entrance. There's the 7-level tower. There's the Bodhisattva. And this is a concrete pagoda. Another shot of the Bodhisattva. Beautifully carved in a marble. truly amazing.
Buddha. So this is ancestor monk, yeah, who established this pagoda and managed
Yep.
this pagoda.
It's overwhelming.
Yeah,
It's very, a lot.
yeah.
protecting the shrines. Every other Buddhist shrine we've been to. And this bell was donated and sent by the Japanese to atone for what had occurred during the Second World War. The French go. They're always made in a certain style. Known as the Pink Church. No one's allowed in. That's another view of the allegedly famous Pink Church. More peach than pink, but anyway.